In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy and use eBay gift cards. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find what you want on eBay and apply a gift card or coupon code at checkout so you save money the right way. Start by heading to eBay's homepage. In the search bar at the top, type the product you're looking for. For example, watch. Press enter to see the full results. Use the filters on the left to narrow things down by price, condition, brand, or buying format. This helps you quickly zero in on items that match your budget and preferences. As you scan the listings, take a moment to check seller ratings, item condition notes, return policies, and shipping timelines. A quick review here prevents surprises later. When you spot the exact item you want, click into the listing to view the details. Confirm the condition, what's included, and any variations like color or size. Make sure the shipping method and estimated delivery work for you and glance at the seller's feedback for peace of mind. If everything looks good, you're ready to move forward. Choose Buy It Now to go straight to checkout. If you're prompted to sign in, do that, then confirm your shipping address and contact details. You'll land on the payment page where you'll see a section labeled Gift Cards and Coupons. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can enter your code. Carefully type your gift card or coupon code exactly as it appears. Watch out for common mix-ups like zeros and the letter O. If you copied the code from an email, paste it in and make sure there aren't any extra spaces at the beginning or end. Double check for typos before you proceed. Accuracy matters here, so the discount applies correctly. Now click Apply. Give it a second to refresh and look for the discount line showing your gift card or coupon has been accepted. You should see your order total update right away. If the code only covers part of the purchase, you'll see the remaining balance displayed, and you can pay the difference with your preferred payment method. If it covers the full amount, your total will drop accordingly. Keep the code handy until your order is placed, just in case you need to re-enter it. Before you finish, review everything one last time: item, shipping address, delivery method, and the adjusted total. When you're satisfied, complete the checkout. That's it. You searched, selected your item, used the gift cards and coupons section, entered your code, applied it, and secured your savings. Enjoy your purchase.